What's up, YouTube? So I'm heading home. I'm getting off work. I get a phone call on my first little break. On my first break. Either my first or second break. I can't fucking remember. I get a phone call saying that they repoed one of my trucks, one of my vehicles. I'm like, God damn, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was angry as fuck, but even more so angry at myself. You know what I'm saying? For like just falling behind, just not, you know what I'm saying? But I understand that shit happens, but I really don't give myself no excuses. Like, damn, like, you know what I'm saying? Even though we was like right in the middle of like giving from the pay them and shit, they just didn't fucking care. They don't fucking give a damn. Like, rat's ass. Like, you late, you fucking late, fucking come take your fucking truck. It's like, but one thing about it is like, you know, involving certain people in my business, it just really gets me. Like, my wife had to ask some people to, you know, assist her in some stuff, you know what I'm saying? I've had to ask some certain people to assist me in certain areas, just asking for generous help, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's like, people want you to ask for help. They want you to need them and shit. You just gotta be wary of, like, you just gotta be watchful, because a lot of people that you share your information with and your, you know what I'm saying, your downsides with, they really want to see you do bad. But I'm so elevated to the point now to where I don't care about showing my flaws. I don't care about showing things that I've lost and things that I've gotten taken away from me due to lack of, you know, funds or not being able to pay on time and shit, things of that nature. I'm human, you know what I'm saying? I go through different things. You might go through different things. We all got different things on our plates. You know what I'm saying? So for anybody out there that's facing repossession, or end up having your car took away from you, or end up having anything detrimental that you needed taken away from you, always remember that, you know, you always great. Just remember that you always great, and that you're gonna rise above that situation, because the same way you got it the first time, you can get it again. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta be a little more responsible, you know what I'm saying? Have a little more security, you know what I'm saying? And just be on top of things a little better, you know what I'm saying? And be a better manager of what God bless you with, because it can get taken away, you know what I'm saying? At the same time, I'm not gonna sit here and get all disgruntled about it and all upset about my situation. What I'm gonna do is better my situation. I've been bettering my situation the last few months. Like, a lot of these haters is wishing on people downfall. It's really backfiring at them. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, all right, okay, Satan, enemy, you got one. All you haters that's laughing, okay, ha 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 ha, okay, whatever. Lost, okay, they got my truck. Okay, one truck. You know what I'm saying? I'm still whipping in this one though. And don't plan on getting rid of this one no time soon. But you just gotta let these haters just have their little laugh, because they're gonna cry later. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is stay focused, always have a plan, always have a strategy, and just keep moving. Don't get wavered. Don't waver. Have faith in God that He gonna trust God that He's gonna straighten it out for you. Still give thanks. Thank you, Jesus, for everything you still done for me, everything you gonna do for me in the future. Thank you, Most High, for everything you've blessed me with right now. Thank you for the lessons, things that I learned, things that I'm taking in to better my lifestyle, to better my life, to make better choices, better decisions, wiser things with my money, wiser choices with my money. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got off work, came home to some bad news. My truck is gone. One of my trucks is gone. You know what I'm saying? They came and drove into my driveway. I got a long ass driveway. They came and drove into that motherfucker, hitched my shit and snatched it. It damn near fucked up the front suspension on the front two tires of that motherfucker. So it's like, okay, re-strategize, breathe, understand where I'm at, still moving, money still coming in. It's all good. It's all turning around. Just some things it hurts. Some stuff it hurts. Some things you go through is gonna be painful. But at the same time, you gotta stand firm. You know what I'm saying? When things change, when things happen to you unexpectedly, you gotta stand firm. You know what I'm saying? And trust in God, still have faith, and still give God thanks. Either way, even though you're going through certain things, even though you're going through hardships. The most painful part about it is it's just like people watching you, people spying on you, especially when you got a name, you got numbers, you got people subscribed to your channel, you got certain kind of followers on these social media platforms, such as I do. You know, you got a lot of people in your business, a lot of people spreading shit about you, a lot of people putting shit out there. But let's just keep it clear, like, I'm transparent with things that happen. That happens. You know what I'm saying? Real life shit. Like, I got home, my shit got repoed. Like, one of my cars got repoed. Like, damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, even though I kind of expected it coming up soon, I kind of expected it, and I was trying to make preparations to go ahead and clear that up. They still took it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you know, it's all good. It's like, still, thank you, God, for my blessings. Thank you for what I have. Thank you for where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? Still being able to receive income, still having income coming in, still moving, still grooving, and learning from my mistakes. You know what I'm saying? And it's just a real test and trial, bro. I got real fucking angry. Like, I literally wanted to just walk off the job and just say fuck this shit when they told me that shit, because I was real angry. But one thing about it is, like, you just can't let life get to you. Like, stuff gonna happen. Things are gonna happen. You just gotta have the right shit in play. You gotta be able to play the game in life. You know what I'm saying? When it come to money, when it come to finances, you gotta have it. Cause these banks and these motherfucking institutions and motherfucking repo niggas is not finna fucking play around. Their job is to take from people what they have built. They don't give a damn about what they put into the car. They don't give a damn about. They're coming to take it because you're late, and they don't want to want to help you. They don't care. You know what I'm saying? What I can say is, it is good to call the banks when you coming up late. It's good to talk to the banks, let the banks know what's going on. Don't be trying to run and hide. I never ran and hide one time. I always knew where I was. I always knew what I owed. I always knew, you know what I'm saying, where I was with it. It's just shit got on top of me. You know what I'm saying? I have a lot of shit going on that I don't have to put out there. You know what I'm saying? But I have a lot of finances, things of that order going on, coming in and out. And, you know, it is what it is. I just want to encourage people out there that might be facing little hardships or whatever, that just to keep going, just to keep standing firm, just to keep trusting, believing that you're going to come out on top, and that you will come out on top. You know what I'm saying? Because life is just about trials. Life is about tests. Life is about how you treat tests when they're given to you, when they come across your table. You got to know how to handle it. You know what I'm saying? And in these circumstances, hey, it's like, you know, it's not a lot of people to come at your aid when you facing hardships. It's not a lot of people there. It's not a lot of people that's gonna be in your corner. People don't give a fuck. So it's up to you to care about your own situations, your own cars, your own things that you got going on. You know what I'm saying? It's just it's really a security thing. It's really a making sure that you crossing all the T's, dotting all the I's. And then when you ask God for a blessing, you got to understand that you got to be ready for what he give you. Sometimes you might not, you might be asking for something that you might not be ready for. But in turn, you still learn from that lesson. You know what I'm saying? You know, within a year, I still kept that truck within a whole year. You know what I'm saying? I should have kept it way longer than that, but I only kept the truck a year. And just started slipping on payments the last few months of the year. You know what I'm saying? Of the year ending. You know what I mean? But at the same time, it's like, all right, learn from your mistakes, get better, fix the credit, run the play again. You know what I'm saying? But run it better, run it cleaner, run it smoother, put it in business name, and stay current on my payments and keep it paid. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I have assets that's available to pay for those liabilities that I'm taking off the parking lot. You know what I'm saying? Off the lot. Make sure I have assets in place that's actually paying for the liability. So, and with which actually turning a liability into an asset, making the truck actually pay for its goddamn self. You know what I'm saying? And I never got a chance to throw that truck on Turo, but this one that I'm in now, I had a chance to throw this one on Turo. I just got to put it through inspection. They do yearly inspection, shit like that. But my other truck, I really wanted to get a chance to put that 2020 on Turo on the app and let it make money for itself. I just never got around to it, and it was a recall on the truck too as well. So that kind of delayed me into putting it on the app because I had to get a recall. I had to go clear the recall off the truck. But it is what it is, y'all. I really just want to encourage anybody out there that's facing any kind of hardships. Just understand that you're gonna go through things. Just believe, have faith, trust in yourself, know things are gonna get better, manifest it getting better, see yourself being better, see yourself progressing, see yourself prosperous, speaking on yourself, and you will manifest anything that you bring, anything that you put your mind in your study to, anything that you put your mind to. Things might get taken, but it's always a lesson. Things might happen to you, but it's always a lesson. It's a test out there, y'all. So peace and love, you know what I'm saying? I hope I helped someone out there. I really just wanted to get on here and kind of vent. I ain't in no even kind of angry mood or nothing like that. It's just, I was gonna go on a run. I might still go on a little 7-mile run. I don't know, because I'm feeling a little under the weather a little bit. But at the same time, I just want y'all to stay encouraged. You know what I'm saying? I really just want y'all to stay encouraged. Know things are gonna happen, but face them head up. Don't run from it. Don't always try to be transparent and be upfront with your responsibilities and things that you have or things that you don't have. You know what I'm saying? Just be upfront with it. Realize where you at, and if you can try to change it and fix it, try to change it and fix it. In my case, it just ended up being too late. You know what I'm saying? I was just fucking too late. You know what I'm saying? And I literally was actually I was actually putting money up towards this shit, making a payment on this bitch, but ran out of time. So it's all good. We're still keeping our vibration up. I'm still prosperous. Money still coming in. God's still on my side. My angels are still moving for me in my behalf, and they're moving on your behalf as well. I wish you peace, prosperity, and love. Keep your head up. Keep your head up out there, and stay encouraged. You know what I mean? Peace and love.